Welcome guys, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy M53 5G and I want to show you how camera promote works in this phone. So at the first we have to select more tab and then go for the promote right here. So as you can see at the first I'm going to show you and we are going to focus on this menu, and after that I'm going to move for this one. So we can find here ISO, shutter speed, exposure compensation, focus and white balance. So we can adjust all of these parameters except the exposure compensation manually like that with the slider, or automatically by tapping on this button. And I'm going to show you all the values of each parameters. And after that I'm going to show you how we can cooperate with them. So for example, how to fix the brightness level when you set this quick shutter speed. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you for example this quick shutter like that, and to change the brightness you have to adjust the ISO, for example like that. So that's how we can make it. As you can see, when we set the shutter speed manually, the exposure compensation is not available. The phone is adjust the exposure compensation automatically in this case. But yeah, that's how we can cooperate with these parameters. And right now we can go right here. So as you can see, we can find additional options, like we can set the contrast. There's also we can control the highlights. Another one will be shadows, saturation, and the last one will be tint. We can also change the aspect ratio right here, but unfortunately there's no this 108 megapixel mode. You can only use it in the normal photo mode. And basically that's all for the promote, for the photo promote in this Galaxy M53 5G. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.